A change of feeling is a change of destiny. Neville Goddard, 1905 to 1972, New Thought author. When we are talking about feelings and relationships, basically what you see in others is nothing but a reflection of your own self. So if a person of goodness is seeing in the other person, he will see only goodness. He will not see something bad because he's coming from the frequency of goodness. But whereas the person is coming from premises of fear or anger, he's going to see that in the other partner. So whatever you see in others is nothing but your own reflection, your own self-manifestation. So if you're coming from a premise of good feelings, you will see and attract good feelings, and you will see those feelings in the partner. But whereas you're coming from a premise of below the line feelings, negative feelings, that's the same, that is going to be your self-manifestation. And that's the same what you're going to be seeing in the relationship in the other person. Look at the list of feeling frequencies, and you'll see that no matter what the subject in your life, there are many different feeling frequencies, and you determine the outcome of each subject through how you feel about it. You can feel excited, happy, joyful, hopeful, worried, fearful, or depressed about money. You can feel ecstatic, passionate, blissful, discouraged, or anxious about your health. These are all different feeling frequencies, and whatever feeling frequencies you are on is what you will receive. Now you can see it's the same repetition of the feelings chart, wherein we have all the above line feelings in the white, which are above the medium line, which is right here. And all the below the line feelings, the negative feelings, are in sort of a reddish blackish. So this is nothing. As I shared the photo, there is a black light here and the white light here. It's a journey from darkness towards light. Journey from negative feelings, below the line feelings, bad feelings, to positive feelings, above the line feelings, good feelings. The journey of darkness towards light. You may want to travel, but if you feel disappointment that you don't have the money to travel, then on the subject of travel, you are feeling disappointment. Feeling disappointment means you are on the disappointment frequency, and you will continue to receive disappointing circumstances in which you cannot travel until you change the way you feel. The force of love will move every circumstance for you to travel, but you have to be on one of the good feeling frequencies to receive it. When you change the way you feel about a situation, you are giving a different feeling. You are on a different feeling frequency, and the situation must change to mirror your new frequency. I'm repeating this, it's very important. When you change the way you feel about a situation, you are giving a different feeling. You're on a different feeling frequency, and the situation must change to mirror your new frequency. Like we said, all manifestation starts with giving. And when you give, that's when you receive. And whatever you give is what you receive. So the universe is nothing but a mirror. So whatever you are giving, the universe is giving the same when you are on the receiving end. So whenever you are on a good frequency, the universe will ensure that the situation must change as per the new frequencies in the mirror, which is of giving or positive. If something negative has happened in your life, you can change it. It is never too late, because you can always change the way you feel. to receive what you would love, to change anything into what you would love, no matter what the subject, all it takes is changing the way you feel. If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Nikola Tesla, 1856 to 1943, inventor of the radio and alternating current. You know, everything around us is nothing but energy. And every energy has its own vibration, has its own frequency. Stones have a particular vibration. We are not able to decipher what they are saying. Plants have a different vibration. You know, there are instances in which there are few gardeners who were able to talk to their plants. So they could, you know, they had such a strong connection of positive feeling that they were able to actually speak with the plant. Animals have a specific vibration and a frequency. We cannot decipher it because we don't know that vibration. We are not on that vibration. We are not on that frequency. But there are people who are. And they are able to make meaning of what the animal is saying because they are able to tune themselves into that particular vibration or that particular frequency. You know, it's interesting to see all kids up to the age of 7, till the time they are 7, they can tune into so many frequencies, so many vibrations. It's unbelievable. Because they're so innocent and not have these layers and layers of judgments and conclusions that this, you know, that's pure consciousness. I mean, a small Manthan, he's 3.5. I mean, he will tell me certain things, you know, about a dog. How do you know? I know him. I mean, I know it's a bit different, but yeah, the kids they have that talent in them that yes, they are able to go to different vibrations and different frequencies and make sense out of it. Only till the age of 7. Till the age of 7, the critical filter of the mind is made. And then the judgment and the, you know, सारा set हो जाता है कि हाँ मेरा ये opinions है, this is good, this is bad and everything. So, you know, you are in a proper, you dwelled into the duality of the world. So where judgment and comparison are now one of your
also conditioning of the society, right?
conditioning
Conditioning.
कंडीशनिंग से जजमेंट आ जाती है ना हमारी, दिस इज गुड दिस इज बैड, ड्युअलिटी में आ जाते हैं हम, कंपैरिजन, उसके पास है मेरे पास नहीं है, जजमेंट आ जाती है, दिस पर्सन इज नॉट गुड दिस इज बैड, यू नो.
Yeah, duality, correct. Acha, Arjun, also wanted to ask you, even water has feelings, right? Like
yeah.
I had seen this, like you had shown it last time also. Yeah.
Dr. Masaru Emoto.
Yes. And also sometimes I've seen in manifestation videos where they use water as a memory, as a water as a technique to manifest what you want.
I have not heard about that, but जो Dr. Masaru Emoto का example था, which we discussed about in last magic book, he captured the images of word energy. So what he was doing was he was narrating I hate you, I love you to different waters and then capturing the image of that water under the microscope. So exactly water energy nahi thi uske example mein, but yeah, water also has energy. Usne energy li thi of words to prove that words have a specific energy and they have a specific frequency. So when we saw the images of love you and gratitude and thank you against I hate you, or the ignorance about the rice experiment, so he captured the energy of the word on water under the microscope. But yeah, water also has its own specific energy.
Right.
There are a lot
Even
of
that
water
rice,
meditations.
yeah,
Aqua
even the rice
meditation,
experiment, right? The one that you're talking about, rice experiment, is also very interesting. Like, the rice that was given all the love in the world was still in the condition to be, eaten. So that was amazing. Actually, I also saw that.
yeah. So this, yeah.
Isn't it? I mean, water can't understand words. It's the way you say the word, the energy that you're saying it with, right? That's the whole logic.
The energy of the word.
How will water understand English if it's sitting in a different part of the country
I'll
where the
share
English is not spoken? So it's got to be the energy behind it, right?
yeah, the energy of the word.
Correct. Energy of the word, no? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, मैं देखो
Of course.
बताता हूँ. You take a glass of water, just normal. Just take a glass of water, and just say 10 times, thank you, thank you, thank you to the water, and just blow it. Taste the water and taste the normal water. You'll feel the difference.
Yes.
I'll share the example. उसका ना मेरे पास है. Masuro Emoto is a Japanese scientist. And it's very funny. One example, he took a photograph where he was in Los Angeles, and he told his assistant to take the phone receiver near the water. And from there, he said, I hate you. From Los Angeles to Tokyo. And then he asked the assistant to now take the picture under the microscope. It had the same image of I hate you, which he had captured when he was doing it in his own office. So it traveled. There's a very big science now, which is taking its grip. It's called epigenetics. Now, epi is before. So till the time we were told that everything is in your genes, it's genetical, it's in your DNA. Now, epi is what is before genes. So what they did was, there's a scientist called Dr. Bruce Lipton. He has his book called The Biology of Belief. He took 2 strands of DNA and put it in 2 separate rooms and 2 different environments. Same DNA had different results. As a result, your DNA, if the environment is changed, will change. This was actually started, this experiment was originally done by a Russian scientist. I'm forgetting his name. There was this family who had this genetic disease from generations to generations. So in the 4th generation, they had 2 kids. They had twins who had the same DNA, the same genetic pattern. One was allowed to stay in the same home. The other was taken and was made to be brought up in an altogether different environment. So a genetical disease did not happen to the second child, whereas the first child had the same genetic disease. So now the epigenetics is coining up with this term that your genes are also based on your environment. So if you change your environment, the DNA will also change. ये जो genetical diseases हो रहे हैं, they are because the person is also in the same environment. If you change the environment, the DNA and the genes have a different result. It's a good book. You must read The Biology of Belief, Bruce Lipton.
Thank you, Arjun. I've read the book and quite mind blowing, actually. I've just given it to a friend to read, actually. Very nice.
Yeah, it's a very nice book.
Because I saw Bruce Lipton in one of the videos and I found him interesting, and then you recommended and the book and this thing that you're talking about in environment and feelings and everything, how they affect genes, was very nicely covered in it. Definitely.
So that's the same thing we are doing here. No? We are just saying we need to change our bad feelings into good feelings and our results will change. We're changing the choice to change the consequence. Whatever.
Basic question really. It's I mean, we all know that changing your feelings can change the situation, and then a positive feeling can, come back. But changing a feeling in itself is temporarily possible. You can easily change your feeling temporarily, but then it all depends on yourself, your own, your personality, and how long can you stay in that changed feeling, which is a forceful change. Now
Yeah.
you're forcefully changing yourself into the positivity, so that you get positivity. And if you don't get positivity, snap, you're back into negativity. Because you're forcefully, it's not coming natural. Say something like, if you have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and you can't, you're inherently lazy, you inherently love your sleep, and you can't get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So initially you will force yourself to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. You will be able to do it for 1 day, 2 days. Initially that thing comes कि हाँ, जो नया जिम में जाके भी मजा आता है कि हाँ 2 दिन अच्छा लगा. तीसरे दिन, because you're forcefully doing it, skip हो जाएगा. चौथे दिन तक लगेगा क्या बकवास है यार. और फिर वो शायद उस 1 साल में अगर तुमने एनुअल मेंबरशिप भरी होगी तो 2 ही दिन जिम जा पाओगे, तीसरे दिन भी नहीं जा पाओगे, because you're forcefully doing it, right? So how do you, I mean, the first line, when you change the way you feel about a situation, it's very simply stated. When you change your way, when you change the way you feel about a situation. What if you don't want to change? I mean, you want to change, but what if you can't change because of, the way you are?
See, I tell you, I mentioned it earlier, since this is a start. So पहले तो अब एक गाड़ी इतनी देर से बंद पड़ी है, तो पहले तो थोड़े धक्के लगाने पड़ेंगे. So initially you have to fake it till you make it. 1. Second, when you're talking about getting up at 4 a.m. for a lazy person, no matter what time you sleep, just tell yourself before sleeping that I will get up at 4 a.m. and be fully fresh. Just say it 7 times.
No,
before you
what if
sleep.
you don't want to tell yourself because तुम 2-3 दिन कर चुके हो and now you don't want to do it?
यार मैं
But-
खाना रख सकता हूँ, अगर तूने खाना नहीं खाना तो मैं थोड़ा कुछ कर सकता हूँ.
हाँ, but उसके positive result आएंगे. लेकिन that's the
समझे
way you
नहीं.
are.
If you don't want to do anything, then there is no this thing.
No, you don't want to do the effort. You want to do, but you don't want to do the effort.
If the change can come naturally to you, then it's okay. Otherwise, effort is required.
So वो naturally
Naturally के लिए भैया,
कैसे आ सकता है?
see, it's you are 40 now. I am also 40. These habits are long drawn on us. Okay, it takes 21 days for a new habit to be formed. So if you do it consistently for 21 days, the habit is formed. And if you do it for 40 days, it gets more stronger. But whereas if you continue it for 90 days, the neurological pathway is changed.
Okay.
So पहले 21 दिन fake it till you make it करना पड़ेगा. That is the effort that is required. Otherwise, it's not going to happen. Once that 21 days, a habit is changed, then you get on to 40 days and then you change your entire neurological pathway when you finish it in 90 days.
That's why they probably say कि एक buddy होना चाहिए, एक mentor होना चाहिए जो आपको थोड़ा external, I mean, I know external motivation is a myth, but एक
वो first 21 days के लिए हर चीज चाहिए.
वो थोड़ा सा चाहिए कि जो थोड़ा
First 21 days के लिए तो आपको बंदा चाहिए जो डंडा में मारे. तेरे जैसा बंदा भी चाहिए जो जिम जाने के लिए आए, और मेरे जैसा बंदा चाहिए जो उसको साउथ इंडियन खिला के घर भेज दे. So
it really happened,
21
right?
days has to be, that's the most difficult.
हाँ, पर मैं एक ही दिन आया था ना, मैं 21 दिन तो आया नहीं. वरना
मैंने
तो
फिर
लगा
ऐसा
था.
एक दिन तेरे को खाना खिलाया, तूने कहा यार ये जिम जाएगा नहीं, मैं
मैं
तो
दूसरे दिन नहीं आया. मैं क्या अकेले जिम जाऊं?
So first 21 days are critical. Yes, the effort. See, if you do not want to make an effort, then there is no point.
No, you want to do this. So you put an effort, but because you are forcing yourself for the effort,
Yeah.
that force will slowly
The
subside.
choice is yours, na? You want it. That is why you are forcing yourself. If you don't want it, why will you force yourself?
No, you want it. It's very clear you want it.
So you want it, then you have to, if you made that choice, then you have to get sure that तेरे को किसी तरीके वो 21 दिन पूरे करने हैं. जो 22 साल की कोई आदत हो, उसको 21 दिन तो दे ही सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Also, I think, yeah, if it's very deep rooted, then it's hardwired inside you, of whatever then it becomes part of your belief system. Then to change that will take a long time.
Everything is
you know, if
hardwired. I mean, for us, to be honest, I mean, for me,
Yeah,
I
that's
mean,
right.
depends
See, a
on
lot
person
of
to person.
things are not.
whole-
For a vegetarian, he may feel, yaar, ke, you know, chicken nahi khana, or for even a non-vegetarian, he may, as a Hindu, he may say, ki, beef nahi khana. So those are beliefs and those are hardwired. Now, tomorrow, you need to want to change that. That goes against your belief system, which is absolutely hardwired. You know, so वहाँ पे तो बहुत difficulty होगा. But if you really want to do it, then yes, I think then all these things come into play. If it's not part of your belief system, and then I don't think you would do it only, because that won't be you wanting. Then how much will you fake it to make it? You know, so that's where that's my thought process on it.
See, the whole irony of the belief system is that it is a belief system. And we humans make that belief system based on our environment, based on our experiences, based on our upbringing, based on whatever is happening through us, and give it the term, this is our belief system, this is my reality. Whereas reality is totally different.
These are my principles. These are my blah blah
The
blah.
belief,
Yeah, but
not a
it's
reality.
established in all these management
Yeah, Earth is Earth
litis
round
of
or
core
flat?
values.
Is
you know.
Earth round or flat? The fact is it is
घूम के
flat.
देखेंगे.
The fact is
Yeah.
it is flat. Whatever you see ऊपर, सामने है.
Hmm.
But it's a belief that it's round. I have not seen it. So, you know, belief system में बहुत चीजें आ जाती है. But हाँ, the basic crux is a belief system हमारे throughout upbringing में बनाया गया है. उसके ऊपर memory के ऊपर layer दी गई है. So नीचे का जो basic truth है उसको memory और belief के covering से ना cover कर दिया.
एक चिप होनी चाहिए जो ना के लगी हो यहाँ पे, and you can of course take it out when you want to, but एक chip लगा लो.
You're a budding entrepreneur. You need to make that chip.
So when you change the way you feel about a situation, right? So chip डाली and suddenly सारी situations तुम्हें इतनी positive और इतनी बढ़िया लग रही हैं.
How much do you want to pay for that chip? It's already there. It's just 2.25 lakhs.
2.25 lakhs, इतनी सस्ती
Called a
chip दे रहा तू.
vibration frequency hand wrist.
Is that the cost of your next program?
No, not my program. It's the cost of that device. It's got pre-programmed vibration and frequency alerts. Something what you go for physiotherapy. वो नहीं करते ऐसे टिंग करके. उसमें pre-programmed बड़ा अच्छा बंदे ने किया है. Haley's करके company है. It starts from 160. The top model is 2.25. It's just a wristband. So you tell I want to feel happy. It's going to trigger all the happy emotions, raise the
Don't
level
tell
of
me.
dopamine. Yeah, it's there. Hema knows about it.
Yes.
से पूछ ले. उसने तो मैंने उसको लुधियाना वाले का नंबर भी दिया था कि लुधियाना में उसको एक एजेंट है. If you want, you can buy it.
Okay. Yeah, well, worth giving a try. I think a demo.
I think secretly Arjun is currently using it also. Kuch better.
Arjun, so I have seen some videos about the subconscious reprogramming. So there are these techniques and these videos that they've created where you sleep with them. You put on your headphones and listen to it for 21 days, 40 days, and it'll reprogram your subconscious, because the belief system gets ingrained in your subconscious. So like what even this particular author you had mentioned, Bruce Lipton, says that if you reprogram your subconscious, you can change your genetics. So do you think you believe in it? You think it works?
I mean, Neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, is all about changing your subconscious pattern.
Yeah.
Hypnotherapy is all about changing your subconscious pattern.
Hypnotherapy. Right.
Yeah,
Right.
everything is about
Yes. So you think these are
जो
worth trying?
hardwired होते हैं, they are called the neurological pathways. जब हम उसको 90 days करते हैं, हम affirmations को 90 days कर देते हैं ना, so it's a repetitive pattern which has been made for 90 days. So the neurological pathway is created. That is hard to break then.
Right. Okay.
Perfect. Right, thanks.
Take your feelings off automatic pilot. Many people don't know about the power of good feelings. And so their feelings are reactions or responses to what happens to them. They have put their feelings on automatic pilot instead of deliberately taking charge of them. When something good happens, they feel good. When something bad happens, they feel bad. They don't realize that their feelings are the cause of what is happening to them. As they react with negative feelings to something that has happened, they give out more negative feelings and they receive back more negative circumstances. They become trapped in a cycle by their own feelings. Their cycle goes around and around in circles, not getting anywhere, like a hamster on a wheel, because they don't realize that to change their life, they must change their feeling frequency. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Epictetus, 55 to 135, Greek philosopher. You know, it's very interesting. Life, like we read it yesterday, life does not happen to you, life responds to you. So whatever is happening to you is how you are reacting, it what matters. जैसे आप कर रहे हो, which feeling, किस feeling से आप जा रहे हो, वही circumstances आपके पास वापस आ रहे हैं with a mirror effect. One thing, slight change. React is again a word from the premise of the negative. Always respond. Think about it, evaluate yourself, then respond. Never react. React is always negative.
Yeah, this is wonderful. Yeah, this is wonderful. I mean, I'm just correlating now. When you can change the way you feel about a situation to this, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it. So it's that is definitely a great way to naturally change, to respond rather than react. I mean, if you're reacting to getting up early, or if you're reacting to a person, then you need to pause and see whether you really want to do it. And then
You know what? Ruchi was giving an example of Ashmin. Take 24 hours to give your feedback if you're in a negative situation. Now, what is the logic? Now, when there is a negative situation and you are in a situation, you are in some kind of a situation where your mood has turned negative, and so probably the other person has said or allegated something against you. So you don't respond to that person at that time, and you say, give me 24 hours, I'll come back to you. So in those next 24 hours, what you will do is you will introspect. And once you introspect with that feeling of that, coming from the premise of the positive zone, you will realize that yes, it was your mistake. And you might go back to the person saying, yeah, thank you, yaar, meri galti thi. That's one aspect. Second aspect, you will introspect yourself and you will realize that nahi yaar, I was absolutely right. The other person misunderstood me. Usko samajh nahi aayi. And then there is no point going back to the other person. Na? See, what matters is what you think of yourself, not what the others think of you.
I mean, simple example. I mean, lame example. You get up at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock for the gym, and you forced yourself to get up, and now you're forcing yourself to the gym. So don't go that day. just because you're reacting to it. You're reacting because you want to lose weight or whatever.
यार intention और choice तो पहले create करो ना, करना क्या है?
So you want to lose weight or you want to look fit.
हाँ, तो फिर that is the
So you've
intention,
chosen.
then take that choice.
So then you think, okay, going to the gym is important. You तुम उठते हो, लेकिन तुम उठते हो, but you are in the negative feeling.
No, if I
So-
tell you there is a meeting at 4 a.m. where you have to be totally dressed, and just by attending the meeting you're going to like get 50 lakhs. What's your reaction?
of course I'll respond.
Intention वही लेके आना, that body is worth 50 lakhs.
So that's what.
How
So
bad you want it?
so don't. So I would maybe next time, if I'm not feeling fine, not good, ready to go to the gym. Not that I'm going to the gym. I hate the gym anyway. I'm not going. I'm just a bad example. But
What
in
about
that
tennis
situation,
at 4?
no, I'm going daily anyway. But 7. So
तो ठीक है,
don't
7
go
is
to
good
tennis
enough.
or don't go to the gym that day and think, is it worth it? Is it
See,
actually?
honestly speaking, था पर 4 o'clock अगर तू बोला ना, 4 o'clock is Amrit Vela, that is for part and meditation.
हाँ, मतलब 4 o'clock is quite tough.
So
क्योंकि
that's still decent.
मैं 6:30 डेली उठता हूँ, तो इसलिए मैं 4 पे आया हूँ कि मेरे लिए 4 तो अनबिलीवेबल। तो but yeah, so if you are responding, if you're reacting to it, then pause for, like you said, 24 hours.
Think,
Don't go to the gym
evaluate.
that day. Evaluate whether you really want to do it, and once you've analyzed it and made up your mind, yes, okay, then automatically it might come naturally next day, and if not, then something else will.
See,
And then
whatever happens, first be very, very clear what is your intent and what is the choice you want to make. वो पहले clear करके करो, मेरी intention क्या है ये चीज करने की. See, because getting up at
Also-
4, going to the gym initially is not going to be easy. Everybody knows it. But if your intention is clear, and if that thing is worth 50 lakh rupees, then again, what is at stake will also matter, na?
Yep.
Also correlating this to yesterday, which was when Tap was talking about getting triggered by someone. So I think how you respond, which is what I think we were alluding to, that we don't pause to think how to respond. We just go ahead with our reaction, So I think maybe that will cut it off completely if we respond a little differently. And then we won't get triggered ourselves only by that XYZ person who is trying. So maybe we can connect the dots between that and this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I'll
think
share a very small example. As kids, हमें बहुत ऐसे reactions मिले हैं parents से जहाँ बड़ा गुस्सा आया है. Okay, and we've retaliated also. Do you ever imagine or remember when you was being scolded for doing something and you went in that instant without getting a rage and said, हाँ मैं गलत था, thank you मम्मा, आपने मेरे को ठीक कर दिया. It would change because then you have accepted it, na? So respond can be acceptance, respond can be evaluation, introspection, anything. But reaction is always going to, ignite the fire.
Also, I think, if you analyze that your reaction is coming out of fear or anxiety or any comparison, jealousy or something, then that's a forced reaction. Like that's not coming naturally. So if you want to lose weight because of some fear that you might get rejected somewhere, then it's not going to come naturally. You will probably not end up going. It has to come, it has to come as a response rather than as a reaction. It has to come naturally that you want to stay fit and not because your friend is looking better, so you want to look better. Then go. Then it's not going to happen for a sustained period of time.
Why do you think 60% of world's population is fat? And why do you think people go to the gym and don't last beyond a week by paying 1 year's annual payment? Is this?
Yeah.
वो देखा देखी पहुंच जाते हैं.
देखा देखी पहुंच जाते हैं ना. Yeah.
I think you're right. The fear of being criticized, being judged for not looking good or for looking fat, and hence the lack of self-love is like what we are talking about, right? If there's
Yeah.
lack of self-love, then you doubt yourself, then you think you'll be rejected, then you think everybody will judge you, then you think you won't be
Then
in
you
the
can't change.
then you
you
can't
won't
change.
be. Then you
So
might be able to
hence,
change the situation momentarily,
yeah,
but not.
yes, exactly. Hence the intent to first love yourself for the way you're looking or who you are, accepting it, and then being comfortable with it. Then the intention to, oh, I want to do this because I want to be fit and I want to have more energy, then that's a separate intention, a separate choice.
Yeah. Oh, great. Thanks.
If you don't have enough money, naturally you don't feel good about money. But the money in your life will never change while you don't feel good about it. If you give out negative feelings about money, you are on a negative frequency about money, and you will receive back negative circumstances such as big bills or things breaking down, which are all circumstances that drain you of money. When you react with negative feelings to a big bill, you give out more negative feelings about money, which bring even more negative circumstances to you that drain you of more money. Every single second is an opportunity to change your life, because in any moment you can change the way you feel. It doesn't matter what you have felt before. It doesn't matter what mistakes you think you may have made. When you change the way you feel, you are on a different frequency, and the law of attraction responds instantaneously. When you change the way you feel, the past has gone. When you change the way you feel, your life changes. Do not waste one moment in regret, for to think feelingly of the mistakes of the past is to reinfect yourself. Neville Goddard, 1905 to 1972, New Thought author. I think we'll stop the reading here. When we are talking about money per se, now it's very important. A lot of times you feel that you don't have enough money, you want to travel abroad, बहुत पैसे लग जाएंगे, इतने हैं नहीं. So you were giving it that negative feeling. I remember I heard about the example of Dhirubhai Mani. In spite of whatever he had, he used to go to a 5-star coffee shop to have a cup of tea. What was that? He was giving the money the best respect, the best good feelings he could, even if he could not afford it. मतलब मेरे पास खाने के पैसे नहीं है और मैं 150 रुपये या 100 रुपये whatever would have been the tea amount, I am going there and enjoying my tea and giving money the true feelings, the good feelings, and I'm attracting it. I mean, he is one person who's there in this 20th generation who was the actual story of rags to riches. There are many, but India may be very common. Being the richest man in India. Now his sons. So he gave that money, that good feeling, the positive zone feeling. And he never, that thing never came from a promise of lack. कि मेरे पास पैसे हैं नहीं, मैं कॉफी शॉप में जाके चाय कैसे पीऊंगा, घर का तो खाने का लिए नहीं है. छोड़ यार, चाहे 100 रुपये है, मेरे को आज 5-स्टार में चाय पीनी है, बस. I am attracting that money. Not from a promises of lack, but from a promises of positive feelings, good feelings, love feelings. Anything anybody wants to discuss? Any doubts, any gray areas? Tapar, your alarm for 4 a.m. is set now? 7, 6.
I have no intention. My
Perfect.
intention is very clear. 6:30.
Perfect. It's very important to be clear with what we want. आधी से ज्यादा लाइफ में कंफ्यूजन ही है कि हमें पता ही नहीं हमें चाहिए क्या.
Very true.
It's like going to a restaurant and you're hungry and you go to the restaurant. क्या लाऊं? खाना ले आया यार. सर खाना मतलब चाइनीज खाएंगे, इंडियन खाएंगे, मुगलाई खाएंगे, कॉन्टिनेंटल खाएंगे, क्या खाएंगे? यार चाइनीज ले आ फिर तो. अच्छा सर चाइनीज में क्या खाएंगे? नूडल्स खाएंगे, फ्राइड राइस खाएंगे, मंचूरियन खाएंगे. सो वी नीड टू बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर हमें क्या चाहिए. Half the battle is won with that clarity. What is it that you want?
Yes. Very much true.
Want or desire, Arjun?
Desire. Oh, desire. Yes. वो हो जाता है यार.
मेरे का नई टीचर मेरी तो रोज ही है
No,
टीचर.
that's very important. यार ये बड़ा होता है. Once you're in that thing ना, you are conscious about yourself also, and you are very conscious about others also. Then you are in that loop of the word energy. Always the desire. What you desire, you should be clear. मुझे क्या चाहिए? Anything else, guys?
Right.
It's already 9:55. Good enough.